Hi guys, now today I'm replacing the two rear shocks of a 2008 Toyota Axio. I've gotten the completed set and I'm gonna just remove all the parts of the rear shocks and install them. It should be fun, so stick around and watch.
So you want to take out these things here because you're going to pull the line in from this. So I'm gonna loosen this here. So this is what I need to loosen to get this out. So it's out here. So I'm gonna just pull it up the top and release this. Get a little worries here. Let me get the power handle. So it's good to have tools in abundance. Power up. There we go. There we go. So that's good. Alright, come on, get on it. Once I get it. So I got all two up. Not gonna completely remove it. So I'm going on the bottom now to remove that side. Oh, yeah, so now I need to pull the thing up the top. Good. Alright, so this is it. It's the entire part of the shocks here. And this shocks is done. It's not as bad as the other one, but see, it's not coming up, so it tells you that the car is just operating on the spring and not the shock absorber. So this is it. I'm gonna replace it with the other one, with the real one. All right, let me go and get it. Okay, so this is the shocks. This is the one that came from the right rear, and now this is to show you how it's done. Here it is. Okay, so it's this here. So you push it down. This is not coming up back, none at all. As a matter of fact, you have to pull it, and even when you're pulling, it's not coming up. That's to show you this is beyond done. No use. Now this is the new one. Pushing it down. Have to put some force on it. Down. Alright. And this is coming right back up. Yeah, this tells you that it's good. It has use. So if it's not coming up, no good. Coming up back, it's good. So I'm gonna reinstall it now. So here it is. Here it is. And this is the old one. Here it is. So just tighten here and tighten this side. The ideal thing is to move the seat here, but I can't reach it. So
So this is how I start and this is how I end. So I do hope you enjoyed watching it. And as usual, if you have any questions, suggestions or comment, leave one. So on behalf of the Tech the Things team, this is Duke Rick and I'm saying peace out.